Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the temperature sensor in your range. The reason why you might have to do this is because everything that you put in your oven is baking unevenly. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So back here we're going to have to remove this panel in order to access everything behind it. Just got to get all these screws off now. So what we're going to do is loosen up this bracket here, and then that way we can move it down and out of our way. So now we can take the panel and pull that down and set that out of our way. So right here is our oven temperature sensor. In order to get that off, first thing I'm going to do is unplug it right here. That should pull straight out. And I want to get this wire out from behind that little piece of metal right there. And now I'll use our 1/4-inch nut driver and remove these screws. Now those screws are out, I can just pull it straight out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement temperature sensor. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now I'm going to put it back into place. That just slides straight in. And we'll just get it out of the way of the wires there. And line up those screw holes. And now we can screw it back in. And now we can put the oven's back panel back into place. So we'll just lift that up and that crisscrosses underneath. So we'll get our back panel back into place, and you're going to want to line up your holes and screw everything back in. And now we can slide this bracket back up into place, and we'll tighten it down. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug it in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.